Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello friends, in today's video we will be learning how to use multi-container pods in Ansible. So first of all, what pods is all about. So when deploying the Kubernetes or OpenShift, it's sometimes desirable to group multiple containers into a single pod. And one benefit is that all containers within a pod share the same network namespace and port space, allowing communication via localhost. So whenever we are deploying the K8 clusters and we want to group multiple containers inside a single pod, then we can share the resources within the same network namespace. And using the new containers directive within the service definition, we can also provide an array of containers that comprise a service. So here in today's tutorial we will be using the Django service for configuring the multiple container pods in a single network space. So let's jump into the practical. So here we have an Ubuntu instance and the Ansible is already installed on it, and we have the super user access. And as this is the part 1 of the video, in this part we will be defining the django.yaml file, and inside this file we will be defining services and the ports to be exposed along with the DB proxy. So it is divided into two parts. In the first part, we will be defining the services and the ports. So we will begin with defining the version number. After that, we will define the settings. Under the settings, we are using a conductor and the base image will be CentOS 7. The project name which we are keeping is demo. Now the services to be defined under this Django file is that first of all we are defining the containers, and the container name would be server. So in this server, what we are doing, we are fetching the CentOS 7 image, using the user present inside the group, and the OS packages involved here are as follows. Also, we are defining the allowed hosts which can access these parameters. We will be writing down star here because we are allowing all the hosts, and the port number on which the whole service will be exposed is So basically in this first part, what we have done is that we have defined the version number of the Django service. Along with that, we have defined the settings, which will be as follows: that we are running a conductor with the base image CentOS 7 present inside the project name demo. The services which will be running is the Django containers with the given name, and we will be fetching the given image from these OS packages, and all the hosts connected to this main server are allowed for the given configuration, and also we are exposing the port. So here what we have in the first part, what we have done is we have given a specific user and group to these settings and services, and under these groups all hosts can easily configure their systems. So in this way, we are more easily able to manage the multi-container pod environment inside the Ansible. So this was all about the first part of the video. In the second part of the video, we will be configuring the DB proxy inside the same file. Thank you.